Good morning students. In this class we will be doing class 10 NCERT syllabus, that is CBSE NCERT syllabus will be doing. We are doing quadratic equations exercise 4.2. So sums based on these exercises, splitting the middle terms. We are asked to find the roots or the factors of the given quadratic polynomial using splitting the middle terms method. Okay, so now second sum we will do now. John and Jeevanti together have 45 marbles. So both of them are having 45 marbles together. Both of them lost 5 marbles each. So both they lost 5 marbles. Okay. And the product of the number of marbles they now have is 124. So after losing 5 marbles, the product of the remaining marbles that they are having, when they are finding the product of the remaining marbles, it is found to be 124. We would like to find out how many marbles they had to start with. So initially in the beginning, how many marbles they have. This is the thing we are asked to find. Okay. So here John and Jeevanti together have 45 marbles. Okay. So first we will take, let the number of marbles with John is equal to x. We will take the number of marbles with John as x. Then let the number of marbles with Jeevanti is equal to 45 minus x. How this is 45 minus x? Both of them have together 45 marbles. So if one is having x, the other one is having 45 minus x. Okay. Then this is the first condition given. Then both of them lost 5 marbles each. So now what is the number of marbles John have? X marbles. Jeevanti have 45 minus x. So after losing 5 marbles, John has x minus 5 marbles. Okay. Then Jeevanti has 45 minus x. Actually she was having minus 5. Okay. So when you simplify this, what you will get? 45 minus 5 is 40 minus x. So now this is the present number of marbles both have. One is x minus 5, the other one is 40 minus x. So we got the condition for both the statement. The next one is, and the product of number of marbles they have is 124. Okay, now what is the number of marble they have? John is having x minus 5 and Jeevanti is having 40 minus x. So the product of both these is 124. So one is x minus 5. So according to the question, x minus 5 and 40 minus x. So when you multiply both, when you find the product of both, the product is given as 124. Now when you simplify this, you will find the value of x. After that you will substitute it and find the number of marbles John and Jeevanti has. So now when you simplify this, you will get 40x minus 4 5s are 20. So that is 200 minus x into x is x squared minus, so first you are multiplying it by x. So x and 40 will be 40x and 5 into 40 will be minus 200. Now minus x into x is minus x squared. This minus into minus is plus. 5 into x is 5x. This is equal to 124. Okay, so now when you simplify this, you will get minus x squared. 40 and 5 will be 45 plus 45x minus 200, and when you bring this 124, it will be minus 124 is equal to 0. So this one we will convert it to standard form. So x squared minus, that is I am multiplying throughout by negative sign. So x squared minus 45x. When I simplify both these, I will get minus 324. Since I am multiplying it by minus sign, I will get plus 324. Okay, is equal to 0. So now this is the standard form of the quadratic equation, that is x squared minus 45x plus 324 is equal to 0. So using the splitting the middle terms method, I have to find out when I multiply any two numbers, I have to get 324. When I multiply, I have to get 324, and then when I find the product, when I found the sum of both the numbers, I have to get minus 45. So for finding this, if you are having a smaller numbers, you can easily find it. Here you are having a 3-digit number. So for finding the factors of this, we will use prime factorization method. So when we use prime factorization method, I will get here it is 162, then 2 is 81, then 3, 27, then 3, 9, then 3 into 3. Okay, from this I have to split two numbers such that the product also should be 324, and then when I find the sum also I have to get minus 45. So when I simplify this, I will get 36, that is 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 I will get. So that is not possible. After this 27 and 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12 I am getting. This is not when I add this. When I multiply, I will get 324, but when I add this, I won't get 45. So the other way I will find out, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. This one I will take it as 36, the remaining is 9. So 36 and 9 when I add, I will get 45. So these are the two numbers. One is 36 and 9. When I find the product of this, definitely I will get 324. Why? Because all these are the product of this, prime factors of this. So this one is minus 45 I have to get. So both the terms should be negative. So if I have negative sign here, I will get positive. So this is how you will find the two terms in this. So x squared, one is minus 9x minus 36x. When I add this minus 9 and 36, I will get 45. So plus 324 is equal to 0. Okay. Then x into x minus 9. So here also x minus 9 I have to get is equal to 0. So if I get x minus 9, if I have to get x minus 9, outside I have to take 36. So here minus 36 I will get. So one is x minus 9 and the other one is x minus 36 is equal to 0. So the two values of x are, two factors of x are, that is how many marbles they had to start with. So 2x I will be getting here. One is x is equal to 9, the other one is x is equal to 36. Okay, that I will substitute it here and find out who is having, find out how many marbles they had with the start. So in the initial, how much marbles they are having, we can find out with this. That is x is 9 and x is equal to 36. So if x is 9 and if x is 36, if we are taking x value as 9. So if we are taking x value as 9, then that is if John is having 9 marbles with him, then 45 minus 9 will be 45 minus 9 will be 36. So this one will be having with Jeevanti. So this is one option. One option is if x is equal to 9, the other one is 36. Then if x is equal to 36, then that is if John is having 36, then Jeevanti will be having 45 minus 36, 9. So Jeevanti will be having this. So these are the two things. If John is having 9 marbles, Jeevanti will be having 36 marbles. If John is having 36 marbles, Jeevanti will be having 9 marbles. So this is the initial number of marbles they will be having. Next sum is find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. So when you take any two numbers, those two numbers sum will be 27 and the same two numbers product is 182. Like this you have to find a number. Okay, find two numbers. So you have to find those two numbers such that the sum is 27 and the product is 182. So you take, let one number be 27. One number, we'll take it as, sorry, let one number be x. Let one number be x. Therefore, other number will be, so other number will be 27 minus x. Okay, let one number be x and the other number will be 27 minus x. So when you find the sum of these two numbers, you will get it as 27. That is 27 minus x plus x. When you cancel that minus x and plus x, you will get 27. Okay, so these are the two numbers. One is x, the other one is 27 minus x. Then the product of these two numbers is 182. That is, according to the question, product of these two numbers, that is, when you find the product of x and 27 minus x, you will be getting 182. Okay, now if we simplify this, we will get a quadratic equation, and after solving it, we will get two numbers for that. Okay, so this one is 27x minus x squared. When I bring this 182 here, that is minus 182, that is equal to 0. Okay, now this one I will simplify. So this one, when I multiply it by negative sign, it is x squared minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. Okay, so now we have to find the, when you split the middle terms, you have to get two numbers for that. That we will find out using prime factorization. So 182. So in this, when you simplify this, we get 91. Then again this one in 7 table it will go. 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. So 2, 7 and 30. So when you find the sum of these two numbers, here three numbers are there. Sum of these two numbers you have to get 27. Accordingly, you have to arrange these three numbers, that is 2 into 7 into 30. So when you multiply 2 and 7, you will get 14. 14 into 30. Anyhow, product you will get it as 182 only. But if you are finding the sum, you have to get 27. Yes. So 14 and 13, when you add it, you will get 27. So two numbers, when you multiply, you have to get 182. The same two numbers, when you find the sum, you have to get minus 27. So you will take these two numbers as minus 14 and minus 13. The same numbers, minus 14 and minus 13, when you find the product, you will get plus 182. Okay, so this one I am substituting here. So x squared minus 13x minus 14x plus 182 is equal to 0. So x in these two terms, x into x minus 13, and here I have to get x minus 13 inside. So minus 14, I will take it out. So balance will be, so the two numbers are, one is x minus 14, the other one is x minus 13. So the two x values are 14 and 13. Okay, so the two x values are 14 and 13. So if you take one number as 14, the other number will be 14. That is 27 minus 14 will be 13. So one number is 14, the other number is 13, such that the sum of these two numbers is 27 and the product of these two numbers is 182. So with this I have completed today's class. In exercise exercise 4.2, I have completed few sums. Some more sums are there. Tomorrow I will, that is in the next class I will do. So keep practicing. If you practice well only, you will get very good understanding of that particular topic. Okay, so if you have any doubt, please message me.